Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and like the video. Thanks for your support. Now let's go to the video. In the US market, the Mirage is Mitsubishi's last non-SUV and one of the last subcompact cars available, offered in both hatchback and G for sedan body styles. The current generation was new for 2011 and received a refresh for 2021. It doesn't have many competitors, but one key rival is the Nissan Versa. What's new? Refreshed for 2021, the Mirage has received small, steady updates since. For 2024, changes include standard automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and a driver's seat armrest on the trim level. Graphite grey exterior paint replaces mercury grey, and jet black replaces mystic black. Complimentary limited maintenance program for 2 years, or 30,000 miles. What we think? Subcompact cars like the Mirage are a vanishing breed, but Mitsubishi's little runabout remains one of the most affordable and efficient choices on the market. It looks a little better after its 2021 refresh, too. Plus, this year Mitsubishi's great warranty is supplemented by 2 years of limited maintenance. Across all models, updates to standard equipment on the trim also appreciated. Unfortunately, driving the Mirage is largely forgettable. There's not enough grunt from its tiny engine, and its delivery is labored and harsh. Steering is also sloppy, and the ride is at times jarring and unpleasant. Simply put, there are better options in this segment. Performance and MPGs. The Mirage's tiny engine is part of what makes the car so unusual. Under the hood is 1.2-litre inline 3-cylinder and CVT automatic. Output is rated 78 horsepower and 74 pounds-ft of torque, which might seem low, but the Mirage is also very light, with the heaviest variant barely exceeding 2,100 pounds. A small engine, FWD, and modest curb weight equate to impressive fuel economy without relying on a hybrid system. Fuel economy numbers read 36/43 MPG city, highway for the hatchback, and 35/41 MPG for the sedan. 2 years of free maintenance. Every Mitsubishi comes with an excellent 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and this year the brand is including even more. For the first 2 years, all 30,000 miles of ownership. Whichever comes first, Mitsubishi will provide complimentary limited maintenance. Specifically, the program covers oil and filter changes, including the cabin filter, as well as tire rotations. Safety features. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection is standard on the base model. For 2024, the models gain standard automatic headlights and rain-sensing wipers. The most standard driver assistance features are unlocked at the C trim level. They include a lane-keeping system, automatic headlights, and rain-sensing wipers. Cargo space and interior room. Both the 2024 Mirage, hatchback, and sedan seat 5. But if you're looking for maximum cargo space, the hatch is where it's at. Rearmost room with the seats down compares favorably to the 2023 Kia Rio hatchback, even though that car has more room behind the rear seat. Technology. Regardless of hatchback or sedan, the 2024 Mirage should come with the same features at each trim level. That means the E-Space models receive a 7.0-inch central screen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and 4 speakers, LED headlights, heated front seats, and a push-button start are standard on say trims. Trim levels. Like the 2023 model, the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage is expected to be available in 4 trims this year: Ace, La, Black Edition, and Say. There may be a modest increase in prices, and if that's the case, the Mirage hatchback could start at above $17,650, and the G4 sedan could go for more than $18,500. Pros and cons. Pros: super affordable, impressive fuel economy, free maintenance for first 2 years. Cons: so small, dreadful driving dynamics, hasn't kept pace with rivals. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.